Hey everybody. I've had the unique experience of helping a lot of people from the homeless community, and the meeting that I go to is right smack dab in the middle of homeless USA in my town. And I've observed them, and what I've seen is people that come in and sit down, and they sit for a while, and some of them will actually stop drinking and using. And you can see as soon as the drugs and alcohol are out of their body, out of their system, their mental illness surfaces. Sometimes it's OCD, a lot of times it's OCD. They have bags, they start going through their bags, they start organizing their stuff. You can see the similarities. You can see the schizophrenia come up. So a lot of people on the streets are treating their mental illness with drugs and alcohol. And I believe that happens a lot with our youth. Mental illness is hard to detect in the youth and young people. And sometimes it's totally misdiagnosed, and it's even by parents. It's really hard to tell if you have a child that's acting out, disobedient, they say ADD, and they start medicating them. And a lot of them will start medicating themselves with drugs and alcohol. So there's a lot of co-occurring things going on, but the mental illness is all closely linked, very close. So it's an interesting thing to me to see this alcoholism on the mental illness spectrum like I do. I also see people that sober up like myself, who all of a sudden find out they have phobias or their own OCD issues. Very interesting. We have other stuff going on, and so it's no wonder that we drank and used so we could feel comfortable, so we could feel better about our situation and how we get along in life. Alcoholism is a mental illness, like a radio station that you just cannot turn off. Well, first thing, you can't really tune in the right channel. There's too many channels going. It's loud. It won't stop. And I believe that's a lot of reasons why alcoholics and addicts have to have white noise going. They usually sleep with the TV on. They have the radio on. They're never quiet. They do anything they can to quiet that mind down, that chitter chatter, that constant nagging. This is wrong. This is right. You're broke, you're gonna end up homeless, it's her fault, it's his fault. Just constant noise in your head all the time. And it's very similar to any other mental illness. And it causes a lot of paranoia, a lot of delusion, crazy thinking. So I do understand people suffer. And the good news is there is an answer.